Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion on a 15 plate 2015, wheelchair accessible with an allied conversion. It's got the tripod conversion in it, so it's got the wider floor of 33 inches. It's also got 3 individual tip and folding rear seats. As you can see there, we have tipped and folded the middle seat out of the way, just so you can see how it works. And when I go round to the back of the vehicle, hopefully you'll be able to see, depending on the size of the wheelchair, that it will seat up to 4 people plus the wheelchair passenger. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox with just 15,600 miles on the clock, direct from Motability. So we guarantee the mileage with the full main dealer service history. And as you will see from the short video, it's in grade A condition. Along with all the rest of our WAVs, we carry around about 25 in stock, sometimes a couple more. We are a little bit low at the moment on stock because we can't find the quality that we like to find for our forecourt. But rest assured, we are still looking. That's the ramp in its deployed position. As I said before, it is the wider ramp with the tripod conversion, the wider floor. So as I walk into the vehicle, you'll see again the middle seat is out of the way. Apologies if the picture is a little dark. Depending on the size of the chair, as mentioned previously, it will seat up to 4 people plus the wheelchair. So suitable for both taxi drivers and private mobility users alike. Also care homes. So if you are looking for a wheelchair adapted vehicle, why not give us a call on 01634 716 911. We can discuss what your options are. So we have plenty in stock, and we'll just guide you in the right direction to the vehicles that we think are suitable for you, and then it's up to you how you make your decision from there. If you need finance, you can also give us a call or even apply online. Website is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Our main finance provider is Motonovo. We use them because they're the easiest, we feel, very quick and efficient, and sometimes we can even have you in the car the same day. Our percentage rate is very low, at 5% flat, one of the lowest out there. But we can also do a 0% finance. If you have a larger deposit, we can lend you up to £6,000 over a maximum of 3 years at 0%. So if you want to take advantage of that, let us know, give us a call, and we'll discuss what your options are. If you want to pop along and see us, you can do so and have a chat. We're at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent, ME2 4RL. Website address is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, and our telephone number again is 01634 716 911. Thanks for watching.